In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear all your chat history in the ChatGPT Atlas app efficiently and safely. Whether you're looking to declutter your app or simply start afresh, clearing your chat history can help streamline your experience and ensure your app runs smoothly. First, let's begin by opening the ChatGPT Atlas app on your device. This is your first step towards managing your chat data. Once the app is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main interface. You'll see your recent chats, settings, and profile options, among other features designed to make your user experience as intuitive as possible. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you should see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it, as this will take you to a menu where you can manage various aspects of your account. Navigating from this menu gives you access to a range of customizable features, reinforcing the importance of this next step. Once you've clicked on your profile picture, you'll find yourself at a small drop-down or menu selection. Here, click on Settings. The Settings section is effectively the control center for your app, where a plethora of options help tailor the app's performance and data management to your preferences. This is a crucial part of managing your account. With the Settings menu open, look for an option labeled Data Controls. Click on it. This section is dedicated to how data is handled in your app, essentially giving you the power to control what information the app retains. It's a fundamental feature for ensuring your data security and personalizing your app usage according to your privacy needs. Now that you're in the Data Controls section, you'll spot an option to delete all chats. If you're sure that you want to proceed with clearing your chat history, click on Delete All. This step marks the commitment to start fresh, so take a moment to ensure this is the action you wish to perform. Removing all chat history is a permanent action that helps enhance your privacy. After selecting Delete All, a confirmation prompt will appear. Click Confirm to proceed with the deletion. Confirming this action ensures that everything is erased and there's no going back. So check one more time to make sure this is the desired outcome. Once confirmed, your chats are permanently deleted, giving you a fresh slate and possibly improving app performance. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared your chat history in the ChatGPT Atlas app. Going through these steps helps keep your app usage streamlined and your data management practices sharp. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your digital applications.